Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. How are you? Hope you are all well. So today I have got a invite from Netherland clients. Actually, when clients are impressed by any profile or gig, she is very happy, and it's 80% increased chance to got the job. So I'm gonna show you the client's invitation message. Let's get started. So he writed, "Good day Selim, how are you? I was reading your profile and saw you have experience in many different sides of marketing. More importantly, you have experience in Facebook ads. I have the feeling I can trust you in making sure my clients' ad campaigns will deliver good results for them. A little bit about me: I am a marketing agency owner looking for a long term partnership with a contractor. Actually, he described his background. So, which could be you? মানে সে he searching host person are help him perfectly and build up a long term partnership. She indicate me. It would be great if you could take a second to look at the job I posted. If you are interested, please send me a message so we can talk further. Have a nice day, and I hope we can have a chat later. Coin. So guys, I have already read this client invitation message. So if we got any invite from Upwork or others platforms such as People Power, Fiverr, so we need a strong profile with portfolio and strong background. Here is client describe my profile, my portfolio and my job success. He is very impressed to visit my profile. So here is a chance to got the job easily and stand out from crowd people like other freelancer.